Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Goodbudget password. To change your password on Goodbudget app, first of all, open the Goodbudget application on your phone, and then once you're inside this main homepage, tap on More at the bottom right corner. From the More menu, tap on Manage Household. Click on Manage All Preferences, and then go ahead and scroll down from the page. Type in your current password in the first tab where it says Current Password, and once done, head over to the New Password field and write down the new password you want to change to. Finally, click on Save at the bottom of the screen in order to save your new password. And that's how you can easily change your password for Goodbudget. Make sure you use strong and memorable password to protect your budget, and that is how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.